Learn how to make beautiful French crepes with my pâte crêpe recipe, then once cooked, fill them with sweet and savory fillings. Let's start by combining in a large bowl your dry ingredients, so flour, salt, and sugar. Use a whisk to combine them together. Then, crack in your eggs, and add only half a cup of the milk. Set the rest of the milk aside and whisk together the first part of the batter. It should be nice and smooth, and it'll still be pretty thick at this point. The main trick to making crepes is to keep the batter as smooth as possible. So you're gonna continue by adding about half a cup of the milk at a time, making sure to whisk until smooth after each addition of milk. Once all the milk is added, add in your melted butter and your vanilla if making sweet crepes. Once your batter is ready, cover with plastic wrap, making sure it touches the batter, and then place the bowl into the fridge for about 45 minutes to an hour. Make sure you have a 1/3 cup measuring cup ready to go, and then you're ready to heat your pan on medium-high heat. With a silicone brush, brush a little bit of butter in the pan, and then take your 1/3 cup batter, place it on one side of the pan, and swirl your pan around to evenly create a thin layer of batter on the bottom of the pan. Place the pan back on the heat for 30 seconds to a minute, just until the batter sets on top and the sides start to release from the pan. Gently flip your crepe and cook for another 30 seconds before removing it from the pan. Once cooked, you can roll them up, you can fold them into quarters, and create many dishes with both savory and sweet fillings. To learn how to keep your crepes nice, soft, and pliable, and for many tips and tricks, find the full recipe at FrenchKizCook.com.